Andy from Travelwest. I'm here today to tell you about the bike trailer that we loan out to businesses. This is it. It's a carry freedom trailer. It carries up to 45 kilos. It's great for doing small deliveries around Bristol, avoiding the traffic and avoiding having to find somewhere to park. I'll just show you it loaded up. There we go. Okay, so the trailer comes with everything you need. You've got the trailer itself, 2 wheels, 2 reflectors, a towing arm. You also get the box, which is screwed to the base. You get the strap to secure the lid of the box. You get the hitch, the tow-in pin, and the quick release switcher to secure the trailer to the bike. So the trailer will be serviced before you take possession of it. I'll just show you how to attach the hitch and pin to your bike. Take hold of the quick release, take the nut off and the spring. Then you want to slide the quick release in from the drive side, from the side where the mech and the cassette are located. Next thing, you take your hitch, slide it over the quick release. You need to ensure there's at least 4 millimeters of quick release thread for the nut to screw onto. If there's less than this, you risk it pulling out. Take the nut, screw it on. Quite a lot of thread on this quick release. Okay, when it's done up nearly tight, just level it off. You don't want it at any angle, it's got to be nice and level. Do up the quick release. When you've done that, you need to leave a little imprint in your hand so that you know that it's done up tight enough. Then we pick up the trailer arm, take what's called the lollipop, slide it onto the hitch. Then we take the pin, slide it through the hole, close it down. That's on there nice and secure now. Then you're ready to ride. Cool, now we're going to talk about loading the bike trailer. One thing to bear in mind is how you put the weight in the bike. You need it evenly distributed. You don't want too much on one side or the other, otherwise you'll unbalance the trailer. So how we've got it here is perfect. Next, just shut the lid. Take the strap. That's used to secure the lid. One other thing to check for is anything hanging down off the bike. If that gets caught in the wheel, that's a big issue. So anything that's hanging down like that, tuck it in the box or tie it up out of the way. Next, take a track pump and check the tyre pressure. These tyres are recommended to be pumped up to 30 psi. If you're carrying a heavier load, you need to go up a bit higher. If you find the trailer skipping around, take the pressure down a bit. The only other thing to say is this trailer is not designed for children or animals, so don't carry any children or animals. So before using the bike trailer, you need to check that your bike is suitable. If you're unsure of this, refer to an owner's manual or go to a local bike shop. Every time you use the trailer, you need to check your bike, check your trailer, and most importantly, check your brakes. The first time you use the trailer, I'd recommend going out to a park or a local traffic-free route that's quiet, just to get used to the handling. It's a lot different than just riding a normal bike. So to keep the trailer secure, we recommend storing it inside. It's got a lot of quick release parts, so it's quite hard to secure outside. If you're popping into a shop or a business, it's quite easy, just take the trailer with you. When you're cycling, remember braking distances are greater, you're carrying more weight, particularly in the wet, just allow yourself more time to stop. Also, your turning circle is wider. Be aware, particularly when you're going around a tight corner on a road, the back wheel can go up on the pavement. If it does, it can unbalance your trailer. The other thing to remember is just to use a bit more common sense really, and have a bit more road awareness when you're out there. Just be aware of what's going on around you and be safe and have fun.